On the western side of Gujarat is a small town called Jamnagar. Many of you all might have never heard about it, but there is one crazy thing that makes it really special. In this small town lies the largest mango plantation of Asia. It has more than 1 lakh mango trees that produce over 100 different varieties of mangoes. This land now has so many mangoes that it is one of the largest producers and exporters of mangoes in India. And believe it or not, all of this is owned by none other than Reliance. And this got me thinking, how big is Reliance really? I did some digging and whoa, strap tight because this video will definitely blow your mind. Whenever you enter a mall, you must have seen Reliance everywhere. Stores like Reliance Fresh, Reliance Digital, Reliance Trends, and even Reliance Jewels are present in almost every mall. But it's not just these stores that Reliance owns. Reliance is also the owner of Hamleys. Yes, the same children's toy store that you want to enter and never leave. Not just that, Reliance also runs outlets of many fancy global brands like Hugo Boss, Diesel, Marks & Spencer, Armani, and so many more. In 2017, it also started Project Eve. Through this, it opened stores in several Indian metropolitan cities. And these look almost as if they are a part of some reality TV. These stores aim to offer an elite experience to women who are 25 to 40 years old. These have posh ambience, personal stylists, in-store salons, cafes, and a curated collection of clothing and beauty items. Everything that you and I can probably never afford. But what we can experience are the online retail facilities of Reliance. In fact, I'm sure that there are many stores that you must have used or heard of but didn't even know that they belong to Reliance, like Ajio and Zivame, which are both pretty famous online clothing brands. Or Urban Ladder, which is a famous furniture seller, or even NetMeds that sells medicines online. That's how insanely widespread Reliance is. And that's what makes it India's largest electronic retailer, fashion retailer, and grocery seller. We're all familiar with the many geotech services like JioPhones, JioTV, JioMeet, JioUPI, basically a long list. But there are some technological developments that Reliance is currently a part of that not many know about. And one of them is this. In February 2021, Reliance became the majority stakeholder of a US company called Skytran. What does this company do? It makes these cool self-driving electronic vehicles that aim to make public transport easier. These small pods are able to move with the use of magnets and can be considered the beginning of a new and revolutionized form of public transport. Another technology that Reliance has put its money on is drones. It has acquired over 51% stakes in Asteria Aerospace. This company manufactures drones that soar high in the sky and also offer insights from aerial data. Reliance also entered the realm of augmented reality as early as 2019. It acquired majority stakes in a company called Tesseract that creates 3D experiences in the realm of entertainment, teaching, shopping, and even gaming. And it was after this acquisition that Reliance released the Jio glasses. These can make online meetings and classes 3D. In fact, Reliance is even set to put its hands into the crypto craze, and it has already started the process of creating India's largest blockchain network. You might already know that Reliance owns Network 18, but very few are aware of its vast range of products. Network 18 is India's largest TV news portfolio, and it owns news channels that are constantly playing in our houses, like CNBC TV 18, CNBC Awaz, CNN News 18, News 18 India, and many others in different local languages. Reliance also owns entertainment TV channels like Colors, MTV, VH1, History TV, Comedy Central, and even Nickelodeon that has been #1 in the kids category since 2014. The television presence of Reliance is huge, so much so that 1 in every 2 Indians watches a TV channel owned by Reliance. And it doesn't just stop at our TVs. Reliance has also seeped into our other devices by having a majority stake in big digital platforms like Money Control, First Post, Book My Show, and also Voot, that is the second biggest OTT platform in the country. In fact, just last year, Reliance was even planning a merger with Sony India, which they later called off. Right next to the mango plantation in Jamnagar is the world's largest petroleum refinery. And this, of course, is owned by Reliance. Ownership of such huge refineries allows Reliance control over resources like diesel, coal, and LPG. And this in turn helps them to manufacture almost all the things that we are surrounded with, like clothes, bottles, gadgets, salt, rubber, electronic parts, and even windmills. In fact, when India was struggling with the lack of oxygen availability during COVID, the Jamnagar refinery was used to deliver a huge amount of medical-grade oxygen to different states. 1,000 metric tons of medical-grade oxygen was supplied every day. And this benefited almost 1 lakh people every day. Because of this, the Jamnagar refinery became the largest producer of oxygen in India. Reliance was also India's largest producer of high-quality PPEs. It established a manufacturing unit in Daman where more than 1 lakh masks and PPEs were manufactured and supplied every day. The extent of things that Reliance owns is so vast, it even launched an entire football league. Yep, it was Reliance that launched the Indian Super League for football, in which different football teams have participated over the years. Then there is tennis. Reliance also owns and operates this renowned tennis event in South Asia since 1996. And this talk of sports just cannot be complete without mentioning the cricket giants, Mumbai Indians. Reliance bought the team for over $100 million in 2008. And in 2019, Ambani was declared the world's richest sports team owner by Forbes magazine. All of this tells us that Reliance is so huge. What we see, wear, buy, or eat, it's just everywhere. Did you know about these Reliance ventures? What do you think about these? Tell us in the comments. If knowing interesting things about businesses gets you excited, then don't forget to subscribe to Nutshell. We love to dissect and discuss businesses, finance, and technology. So tell us what you want to see next. And yes, do show us your love by liking and sharing this video.